Good morning, students. I am Shalini, your EVS teacher, and I will take class 5 today. And the subject is EVS. Chapter is 8, Deficiency Diseases. In the previous chapter, we heard about different kinds of food. That is bodybuilding food, protective food, and energy giving food. The deficiency of any one of that food can cause severe diseases to our body. We should intake balanced diet. I told you in the previous class you should take balanced diet, not to take more of the carbohydrates or fats or minerals or vitamins. Anything excess is bad for our health and our body. Today we will talk about the deficiency diseases. What are the deficiency diseases? Deficiency diseases are those diseases that are caused by the deficiency or less amount of vitamins or any nutrient in our food. When we take less amount of anything, any vitamin, mineral, energy giving foods, protective foods and bodybuilding foods, it causes deficiency diseases. Now the deficiency diseases are divided into three main categories. First is protein, calorie, malnutrition. Second is mineral deficiency diseases. Third is vitamin deficiency diseases. Now we will take one by one to understand the whole concept. Okay, first we will take protein, calorie, malnutrition. And the first disease is marasmus. Okay, the first disease caused by the lack of protein or carbohydrates or both in our diet. It causes marasmus. And what are the symptoms of the marasmus? Retardation of growth in muscles. हमारे मसल्स अच्छे से नहीं होंगे, शॉर्ट रहेंगे, ग्रोथ उनकी अच्छे से नहीं होगी. थिन रिंकल्ड एंड इनइलास्टिक स्किन. थिन एकदम पतली स्किन होगी, रिंकल्ड झुर्रियों वाली, इनइलास्टिक. आवर स्किन इज इलास्टिक. व्हेन वी stretch our skin, it comes back to its place. And when anyone who is suffering from marasmus, his skin will not be elastic and it will not come back to its original place. So what are the precautions we should take to get rid of this marasmus? First one is adequate breastfeeding by the mothers. Okay. Fruits, green leafy vegetables, soya-bean products and skimmed milk are to be taken by the children suffering from this disease. What should they intake? Fruits, green leafy vegetables, soya-bean products and skimmed milk. Okay. Now we will talk about kwashiorkor. Next disease is under protein, calorie, malnutrition heading, kwashiorkor. What are its causes? It is caused by the imbalance of proteins and carbohydrates, unhygienic feeding habits, prolonged breastfeeding, ill spacing between the birth of two children. मतलब कि जब हमारे डाइट में प्रोटीन एंड कार्बोहाइड्रेट्स का इम्बैलेंस होगा या अनहाइजीनिक फीडिंग कंडीशन, जैसे अनहाइजीनिक फूड हम खा रहे हैं, तब होगा. और माँ बहुत ज़्यादा दिनों तक बच्चे को अपना दूध पिलाती रहे, उसकी वजह से भी होता है. एंड द इल स्पेसिंग बिटवीन द बर्थ ऑफ टू चिल्ड्रन. बच्चों के बीच में गैप कम होने से, बर्थ में कम होने से भी ये डिजीज़ किसी भी बच्चे को हो जाता है. And what are its symptoms? Growth impairment, ग्रोथ सही से नहीं होगी, कहीं ज़्यादा होगी कहीं कम होगी. Swollen body, the body will be swollen up. Broken and scaly skin, skin broken होगी, scaly होगी. Scaly means hair बहुत ज़्यादा होगा. Hair fall, बाल झड़ेंगे. Severe and irreversible mental retardation, or the another symptom is, the most important symptom is severe and irreversible mental retardation. बच्चे की mental growth नहीं होगी. And what are the precautions we should take? The children suffering from this disease should take skimmed milk, hygienic conditions में लेना चाहिए, and hygienic food. He should or she should take hygienic conditions, food in hygienic conditions, and eat in hygienic conditions, and eat hygienic food. Okay, let us continue. Okay, next disease, mineral deficiency diseases. Now we are protein that we talked about protein calorie malnutrition. Now we will take mineral deficiency diseases. How are they caused? They are caused by the lack of iron, calcium, sulfur, fluorine, iodine, etc. in the diet. So we will take 4 of them today. First one is iron. Iron causes lack of iron causes anemia. Anemia क्या होता है? There are red blood cells in our blood. So when the deficiency of iron is there, the RBC or red blood cells, the red color, red pigmentation of the blood will become thin or light. So deficiency of iron causes anemia. How can we overcome anemia? We should eat iron rich foods like fruits, leafy vegetables, meat and fish. Second one is what is the disease caused by the deficiency of calcium? It is deformed bones and weak bones. Deformed, the formation of the bones will not be regular. It is deformed. It may be टेढ़ा मेढ़ा, लंबा, ऊंचा. Okay, and weak. ठीक है. Calcium is very much necessary for the growth of our bones and to make it strong. We should take milk and vegetables to get sufficient amount of calcium in our daily diet. Now, what does deficiency of iodine cause? Deficiency of iodine cause goiter. Goiter यहाँ पे 2 बड़े-बड़े गलफेट से हो जाते हैं. And the best way to avoid goiter or deficiency of iodine, we should intake iodized salt. We should include iodized salt in our daily diet. Okay. And what does deficiency of fluorine cause? It causes loosening of teeth. दांत हिलने लगता है और झड़ जाता है फ्लोरीन की वजह से, उसकी डेफिशिएंसी की वजह से. So we should take water containing fluorine. पानी हमें वो पीना चाहिए जिसमें फ्लोरीन हो, रिच हो फ्लोरीन में. And we should intake sea food. और हमें सी फूड खाना चाहिए. आगे हम इसको पढ़ते हैं अभी विटामिन डेफिशिएंसी डिजीजेस. our next disease is vitamin deficiency diseases. First one is night blindness. The deficiency of vitamin A causes night blindness. And what are its symptoms? Its symptoms are impairment of vision at the dim light or at night. Okay? And how can we overcome it? We should take milk, butter, eggs, carrot, cod liver oil, fruits, vegetables in our daily diet to get rid of this disease. Now second one is beriberi. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. And what are its symptoms? Swelling in hands and feet. हाथों पैरों में swelling आ जाती है. Numbness of arms and legs. And how can we overcome this disease? What are the preventive measures? We should intake milk, eggs, meat, unpolished rice, beans and pulses, fruits and vegetables to avoid this disease. Okay. Now next one is pellagra. It is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin B. इसमें क्या होता है? Skin rashes, weakness and mental depression. One feels weakness लगती है and mental depression में चला जाता है. We should intake milk, fruits, vegetables, meat and eggs. Good quantity of all these things. Scurvy is caused due to the deficiency of vitamin C. Its symptoms are bleeding gums, under skin hemorrhage. And we should intake the fruits or the diet rich in vitamin C. That means we should intake more oranges, citrus fruits, etc. in our daily diet to overcome this disease. And last one is rickets. This is caused due to the lack of vitamin D in our body. Long narrow chest होती है and enlargement of bones at the ends. The bones are enlarged at the ends. मतलब जो end होता है bone का, जैसे ये this is the end of the bone. It will enlarge at this point. Okay. Now one disease is also there, obesity. Have you heard about it? No, that means the swelling of body or the fatness of body. It is caused due to overeating of fats, carbohydrates, vitamins and minerals. And we can avoid this disease by taking good exercises daily. We should take morning walk. We should do yoga to get rid of it. So all these diseases can be cured and it is in our hand how to cure it. So students, be careful about this and take a balanced good diet to avoid all these things and to remain healthy, wealthy and wise. Thank you.